global start and end time, these are the master start and end time for the entire VTA. This is when you see after trading hours displayed on the VTA. That is what is displayed if you're outside the trading hours of the global start and end time, and also the Friday end time here. So these are all in GMT time. The Friday has a special end time. If you set this to true, the Friday setting to true. If you set it to true, it enables Friday trading is okay. If you set it to false, then no trading on Friday, you will not get any alerts. GMT shift, I'm not sure if we even need this, to be honest. I was having an issue with one client's broker that wasn't giving me the proper GMT time, and I couldn't figure it out. So I entered this in there just to handle that one issue, and then brought it to fix the issue. Then his broker was now showing the right GMT time. So this is only in the case if for some reason, I'm going to leave it here anyway, because if for some reason your broker is not displaying the correct GMT time, and to find out what the proper, what the GMT time that your broker is sending out, all you have to do is load the default template, and it'll tell you in the experts tab. When you bring a new pair on, you should see this, but if you scroll down a little bit, it tells you what the GMT hour currently, and then if you want to double check that, you can just Google current GMT hour, and it'll tell you right in Google what the current GMT hour is, and it should be the same. So in this case, it would probably say 4 p.m., right? Which is the same as 16. All right, so that's how you can double check. If for some reason it's not correct, then you need to go ahead and put in the difference in the GMT offset or the GMT shift. So if you're behind, put a negative number. It's okay. So if it's spitting out 4, but the original indicate, if it's spitting out GMT of 4 in your experts tab, but it's really GMT of 2, put a -2. If it's telling you 4, but it's a GMT of 6, put a +2. Alright, so just put whatever number is different. To be honest, I haven't had anyone have that situation yet. So if it happens to you once, make sure maybe it's just the weekend and maybe something's happening, the servers aren't responding correctly. But if it happens to you during actual trading hours, then definitely go ahead and make that change. And then keep checking it. I would keep checking it almost every day at least, and then make sure it hasn't corrected itself, because I've seen them correct themselves now. You don't want to have your VTA running on the wrong time. As of this recording, this has not been needed to be used at all, so I don't want to make too much of a big deal of it. It would be very odd if we had to use it. So that's most of the timing stuff.